I thank the government of the day for the ration over here, and that will assist a lot to my hostel students. At the same time, I'm looking forward for the support coming years. And once again, thank you very much. I would like to thank all the officials over here. Okay, and we also have the refreshment and other things over here. Please. And coming to our results, we had 91% pass for FSLC and 98% pass for Form 7, year 13. And this year we have targeted, we'll have 100%, nothing less.
Baru boleh menurut na sau ni na limen na kurni budmo. Baru na boleh menurut na ketua ketua na kani biturun. Kita reda cuma boleh menurut lu tujuh na mamindio kan na itu ke, lu tujuh na rawakan ng lubenda bate lebu na racing ni bito ko ni sarame ko lebu na tama na china ko na lebu na itu ko sama yung mga ko salo rin na bito ko ni na